Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little project share using some Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. I am on Ariel's design team, so I thought I'd just show you what I made. I made this acetate little purse. This is following LillY, who is crafting with LillY here on YouTube. Just stitched around in gold, and then I had to stitch mine at the bottom because I did do another sheet in there to make this like a shaker pocket, and I just put confetti just enough so that you couldn't see the contents right away in the purse. A lot of this is like Ariel's stuff, but in this last release she had this like super fun plastic chain, and I used the light pink one, and then she also sells these in her shop, these like ball and chain, I don't know, and you can cut those down to any size with just some thicker scissors. So I did those in like a mint, and then had the chains just dangled down from that. And then I used some eyelets. These are also from Ariel's shop. I did the floral ones. This last release had a heart shape, but I figured floral would do good because I was using the Marigold collection by Maggie Holmes. She also released this last release these super fun lobster clasps, like massive plastic ones. So I just clipped that on there, and I kind of made this, I don't know, I think Chanel or Juicy Couture uses chains on their purse. Made a designer purse, you guys. So the chain hanging, and then kind of like how a keychain would be in the purse. You know how some purses come with that like hook? So that's what I was kind of like trying to mimic. And then I just hung this charm, this flower charm is from Ariel's shop. This heart was gifted to me. This flat back jemmy is from Ariel's shop. And then I used a eyelet. This is from Beads Galore. It's actually an eyelet, but I just hung it kind of like a lock and key. Here's her house key in gold. That key was gifted to me. And then these are Brad's down here in the bottom like corner part. There's the back. It's cute. These are in the embellishments that I want to stick in here. I already made a garden party version. This is using the Marigold collection. Super cute. These are inspired by Melissa, and I'm using the little flower eyelets in here. And I needed something that was like kind of that was tall enough to house these embellishments, and LillY's tutorial was perfect for that because the other stuff was kind of just, I don't know, I didn't want to just stick it in a bag. So I was like, let's get extra and make a bag, like a real bag, a purse for these bad boys. So I have 4 of them. I didn't even show them. I kind of just stuck them in there, but you guys already saw something similar. So little wire wrapped clay beads, and voila, the confetti kind of hides like what's in there. All right, bye guys. I will catch you on the next crafty video.